She's like, what do you mean it's over with?
Yeah,
I already got the paper off.
There's more.
Oh, it's the right sounding paper.
What did you get? She's like, some tissue paper. Good job, sweetheart. Yay!
Wait in there. They have that roll out paper cup to get on the thing. She just started saying that and she got a little hole in it. That was it. Shredded everywhere.
Oh, good job. Good job, Eddie. Good job.
Now you go for the paper.
Put that in your mouth, though.
Oh, she caught eyes with Brian.
Look at that.
Aww. Look, Marina.
First female medal.
Look.
Just wait for everybody else to do it. Later, she'll have the staring.
She's like, wait, where'd Brian go?
Likes to stare at Brian.
Yeah, she. Good job, sweetheart.
Good job.
Briss, let me see the front of that shirt. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Now you have a nice outfit to wear today. You don't have to wear pajamas all day that say I love Santa. I know. Say thank you.